Hi, I'm Jeremy Cook with Embedded Computing Design, and this week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to look at the Advantech ASMB-831 server board powered by an AMD EPYC or EPYC Embedded 9004 series processor. As manufacturing becomes ever more automated, approaching a true lights-out paradigm, industrial enterprises are going to need sophisticated compute abilities to handle machine learning, AI, command and control at the intelligent edge, and whatever other buzzwords emerge in the future. Enter the ASMB-831. This single-socket motherboard by Advantech is designed for high-end factory automation control, optical inspection, intelligent manufacturing, warehouse management, and medical imaging applications. It's also tailored to suit the needs of high-density GPUs-based AI solutions at the server level. Let's get into the board. This is the Advantech ASMB-831 server board, which works with the HPC-7420 4U rack mount chassis. This powerful board is capable of handling image analysis critical to industrial machine vision and automated optical inspection. It's also capable of working in the smart city and facility spaces with facial recognition and security surveillance abilities that are ahead of many of its competitors. The board features a single CPU socket that supports AMD's EPYC or EPYC Embedded 9004 series processors containing up to 96 computing cores. It features 5 PCI Express 16 and 2 PCI Express 8 card slots, both of which are Generation 5. It has 6 DIMM slots for DDR5 or double data rate, not Dance Dance Revolution, memory running at up to 4800 MHz. It can theoretically work with a total of 384 GB of RAM, though this may be limited by the PC architecture. For connectivity, it's equipped with dual 10 gigabit LAN ports with a third port available for IPMI/IKVM use only. There are plenty of I/O ports here too, with 9 SATA 3 and 7 USB 3.2 ports. 5 ports are USB-A, while the other 2 are available via a 20-pin header. If you need more capabilities, the 7 PCI Express expansion slots noted earlier are ready to go. The board is built to be robust and resilient for industrial environments, with an ambient operating temperature range of between 0 and 60 degrees Celsius or 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also rated for humidity from 10 to 95%. This could be ideal for heat treat operations or even where I live in Florida. It's pretty big, but not overly so, at 12 by 9.6 inches or 304 by 244 millimeters. The board ships with everything you'll need to get started. Of course, the board comes with everything you need to get started. In the bag that comes with it, you've got a user manual, and of course more resources are available online. There's a SATA data cable, a SATA power cable, 2 CPU power cables, 2 M2 screws in this little baggie, a couple of brackets, and of course a front panel convert cable. The future of manufacturing and smart city data collection is automation, and if you're planning to design for that future or build products that will be required to handle those complex systems, the AMD-powered Advantech ASMB-831 board is a great base to build upon. To get a quote or order an ASMB of your very own, visit advantech.com at the link in the video description. For more information on the AMD EPYC or EPYC Embedded 9004 series processors, visit www.amd.com. That's all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. Please like and share this video and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss an episode of any of our shows. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. This is Jeremy Cook for Embedded Computing Design, signing off.